Welcome to this latest video. It's on the unboxing of the Xbox Series X replica mini fridge. This was ordered some time ago by my friend and it arrived yesterday on the 14th of January 2022. So as you can see on the box, it's a 1.5:1 replica scale. It has internal storage with 2 drawers on the door, and it has a bunch of lights. That's what you can probably imagine. So taking it apart, we see that the box has got a little bit of polystyrene foam at the top and I believe at the bottom. We have some plastic covering and a instruction manual. So just get rid of the box, and we're going to remove the plastic wrapping, and there we go, we have the fridge. I'm just going to grab the manual in a second. There we go. So you can see that they've put all the toggles at the top back, and they've done dummy power HDMI USB ports on the back as well. So you got your main power button and USB port at the bottom, that power button being for the LED at the top. And then once you open it up, you've got your power leads in the bottom, your 2 drawers that you can remove, and then your like baskets on the door, and a bunch of instructions such as don't submerge it in water, etc, etc. Moving on, we've got the lights lit up now, so it's plugged in. You got the top light, obviously shines green, just like the Xbox Series X, and then that top light at the bottom. Bit odd that they did it that way around, but which is what it is. Yeah, it's nice. It's built quite well. Quality is what you'd expect from a mini fridge at this kind of cost. You can see the fan at the top there, and yeah, it supports DC in, so you can put it in your car. And drive around with it. There you go, you can see the fan and the lights there, and that's the kind of size you can put it. You can put the monster in horizontally and fit it in the top and the middle, but it won't fit in the bottom. So moving on to testing, I've got a generic decibel meter application for my phone, so these are not 100% accurate, as I know, but yeah, it gives us a good indicator of what's going on. So we've got the ambient room noise next to a desktop PC that's on is 37.9 decibels. Then when we put it in eco mode, coming back to that in a second, it's 39.2 decibels. And then when moving on to max mode or on, if you have the US fridge, it's 46.5 decibels. So it's quite a leap between eco and fully on. Now there is another one that's been purchased in the US, and they've obviously noted that eco is not an option on there for their fridge, which is interesting. Or they just had a first revision which didn't have an eco mode, and that was something that was asked for the European or UK version. That concludes the testing. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll catch you later.